How to clean junk files in Windows 10 laptop. Hello Windows laptop users, is your laptop running slow due to accumulated junk files? In this tutorial I show you how to clean up those unnecessary files and optimize the performance of your Windows laptop. Type disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and select the disk cleanup app from the search results. In the disk cleanup window, select the drive you want to clean, usually the C drive, and click OK. Disk cleanup will calculate the amount of space you can free up. Check the boxes next to the types of files you want to delete, such as temporary files, recycle bin, and thumbnails. Click OK and then delete files to confirm. Disk cleanup will now remove the selected junk files from your laptop. Open settings by pressing Windows.else keys. Go to the system and then select storage from the left sidebar. Toggle on Storage Sense to automatically free up space by deleting temporary files. Go to Settings, Apps and Features. Scroll through the list of installed apps and uninstall any apps that you no longer use or need. Open your web browser, go to Settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Select to clear cache, cookies and other temporary files. Right-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin to permanently delete all files from your recycle bin. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleaned up junk files on your Windows 10 laptop, helping to improve its performance and free up valuable disk space. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe.